I really wanted today to not just be about Tesla investors who own stock, but really anyone who is an investor in Earth. Elon Musk has announced the ultimate green plan to save the planet and our wallets. With a magical $10 trillion strategy to make the switch to electric vehicles, Tesla's Investor Day just got a whole lot more exciting. Not only that, but Musk plans to shrink the carbon footprint of future manufacturing plants by 40% while building new car and battery factories to up their production game. Join us as we break down this epic announcement. Elon Musk's Master Plan series sounds like a pretty epic trilogy, right? It's like the Star Wars of sustainable transportation. The first two installments were already groundbreaking, but now we have Master Plan 3, which promises to eliminate fossil fuels and save the planet. No big deal then. Master Plan 1 was all about getting Tesla off the ground, pun intended of course, and establishing electric vehicles as a viable alternative to gasoline vehicles. Master Plan 2 built on that foundation by expanding into solar energy and energy storage. But Master Plan 3 takes things to a whole new level, with a vision to completely revolutionize transportation and energy in a way that could change the course of history. Not as his usual style, Elon Musk didn't unveil a new product at the recent investor event at the Gigafactory in Austin, Texas. Instead, he shared his ambitious plans for a sustainable energy economy. His vision is to create a sustainable energy civilization by eliminating fossil fuels and accelerating the transition to renewable energy sources. To achieve this goal, Musk presented the third part of Tesla's master plan, which outlines a series of initiatives totaling a $10 trillion in investment. These initiatives include: number 1, adding renewable power to the grid; number 2, producing more electric vehicles; number 3, installing heat pumps in buildings; number 4, using high temperature heat delivery and hydrogen for industrial application; and number 5, building sustainably fueled planes and boats. The plan is to create a world where we don't just consume energy, but we generate it in a clean and sustainable way. So what does the blueprint entail? Well, let's dig deeper into the content. The first step is to transform the existing power grid by using renewable sources of energy. In his announcement, Elon Musk made it clear that shifting to renewable energy sources is not just a necessity, but also an opportunity. The plan is to upgrade the existing energy grid to handle renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power. Did you know that the world's largest solar plant is in China and covers an area of 27 square kilometers? That's equivalent to 3,900 football fields. By upgrading the energy grid to handle renewable energy, we can tap into these massive sources of clean energy and reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. This transition will bring a host of benefits, such as reducing carbon emissions, lowering electricity costs, and creating new job opportunities. For instance, the US solar industry alone employed over 230,000 people in 2020. That's more than double the number of jobs in the coal industry. Number 2, producing more electric vehicles. Electric cars have been hailed as a promising solution to curb emissions and reduce our carbon footprint. Gasoline-powered vehicles emit harmful pollutants, contributing to air pollution and climate change. Tesla's Master Plan 3 recognizes the need for a shift to electric vehicles and aims to produce 20 million EVs per year by 2030, with a market share of around 50%. Not only are EVs more environmentally friendly, but they're also more energy efficient. According to studies, electric cars use energy 3 times more efficiently than their gasoline fellows. They also offer a quieter and smoother driving experience, as well as lower maintenance costs. Tesla's advancements in battery technology have helped make electric vehicles more accessible and affordable. The company's focus on sustainability has led to the creation of a more extensive charging network, making it easier for EV owners to travel long distances. As Tesla continues to innovate, the future of electric cars looks very promising, and according to their estimates, this could lead to a 21% reduction in fossil fuel use. Number 3. Installing heat pumps in the building. Thirdly, the scheme involves transitioning homes, businesses and industries to heat pumps. This is a big move because traditional heating and cooling systems consume a lot of energy, and mostly from fossil fuels. In a recent interview, Musk explained that heat pumps are a game changer because they're more efficient than traditional systems, which can lead to significant energy savings. According to Musk, this shift could result in a 22% reduction in fossil fuel use, which is a massive step towards a sustainable future. But what is a heat pump exactly, you ask? Well, it's a device that can both heat and cool a space by transferring heat from one location to another. Heat pumps work by moving heat from the air or the ground outside your home to the inside, or vice versa. Electricity powers them, which means they serve as a cleaner and more efficient option than conventional heating and cooling systems. The potential impact of widespread adoption of heat pumps is enormous. Not only can they reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, but they can also lower our energy bills and reduce emissions. Plus, with Elon Musk's backing, we can expect to see some exciting innovations in this space in the coming years. Number 4. Using high-temperature heat delivery and hydrogen for industrial application. Another key component of the plan is to electrify high-temperature delivery and replace coal with hydrogen. This strategy aims to reduce greenhouse gas emissions from the industrial sector, which is responsible for a significant amount of global carbon dioxide emissions. The idea behind the high-temperature heat delivery is to use clean energy to produce high-temperature heat, which can then be used in industrial processes that require high temperatures. Hydrogen is also a vital part of this strategy. One of the main benefits of hydrogen is that it produces zero emissions when burned, making it a cleaner alternative to traditional fossil fuels. In addition to its use in heat pumps, hydrogen can also be used as a fuel for transportation, as well as for power generation in fuel cells. It's also being explored as a potential energy storage medium. This transition could potentially have a massive impact, leading to a 17% reduction in fossil fuel use. It will also create new job opportunities in the sustainable energy industry and lead to technological advancements that will benefit the economy as a whole. Number 5. Building sustainably fueled planes and boats. His fifth and final area of focus was on sustainable fuel for planes and boats. Aviation and shipping are essential industries that contribute to the global economy, but their environmental impact cannot be ignored. In fact, they account for up to 10% of carbon emissions worldwide. To address this challenge, the development of sustainable fuel alternatives is necessary. Sustainable aviation fuel, that's SAF, is a promising alternative that can significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions from air travel. Similarly, sustainable marine fuels such as biofuels and hydrogen can replace traditional fossil fuels in shipping. Transitioning to sustainable fuels can have significant benefits both for the environment and the economy. According to the International Air Transport Association, the use of SAF could reduce aviation's carbon emissions by up to 80%. With Musk's plan, the aim is to achieve a 5% reduction in fossil fuel use by sustainably fueling planes and boats. This can be a significant step towards achieving a sustainable energy economy. As Musk stated in his event, we're confident that sustainable energy coverage can be achieved in a way that's economically sustainable and doesn't require subsidies. So, Tesla's plans to achieve the goals of the plan. To achieve the ambitious goals highlighted in Elon Musk's $10 trillion Master Plan 3, Tesla has laid out some impressive plans for its electric vehicle production. By 2030, Tesla aims to produce 20 million EVs per year with a market share of about 50%, as the EV market is predicted to grow to 40 million units by 2030. To make this possible, Tesla plans to cut costs by 50% by working on a new vehicle manufacturing platform called the New Generation Vehicle and introducing a new EV model that could cost as little as $25,000. The good news is that the resources needed to support this transition are available naturally. For instance, Tesla is working on building a sustainable and ethical supply chain for critical minerals such as lithium and nickel. During the event, Elon Musk made the claim that the United States alone has enough lithium to electrify the entire world. Despite the abundance of natural resources to support Tesla's transition to sustainable energy, there is still some limiting factor like refining lithium. While lithium is a key component in EV batteries, the refining process is notoriously energy intensive and environmentally damaging. So to address this issue, Tesla has announced plans to develop its own lithium mining and refining operations, which will be powered by renewable energy resources. This follows a survey that revealed that mineral reserves 60% higher than previously thought. In addition, Tesla is investing in research and development to improve battery technology and reduce the reliance on scarce resources like lithium. With these efforts, Tesla is on its way to achieving the ambitious goals of its Master Plan 3 and leading the charge towards a more sustainable future. And finally, Tesla has also showcased its pre-production beta version of the Cybertruck at the Investor Day event. The all-electric pickup truck boasts an angular design and promises to be bulletproof and shatterproof, making it a unique addition to Tesla's fleet of vehicles. Fans and investors alike have been eagerly anticipating the release of the Cybertruck, and Elon Musk confirmed that it will be available for sale later this year, with volume production expected in 2024. So to wrap up, it can't be denied that Tesla's stock value was greatly affected, losing almost $1 trillion from its peak valuation. The expectations were high for Elon Musk's 2023 Investor Day, which went on for 4 hours. Regrettably, many investors were left with a sense of disappointment, and the stock value of Tesla plummeted by 6% in after-hours trading. But nonetheless, the sell-off is not warranted since Tesla unveiled some exciting business growth ambitions during the event. So, what do you think about Tesla's plan to create a sustainable energy civilization? Will it be worth the $10 trillion investment? Comment down below and share your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.